Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Robertina. If you're new, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for clicking. Today we are going to be making some chapati. As you can see, I've already started my process. I'm curious to know how you make your chapati. What I know is that there are so many ways to make chapati, but yeah, today we're going to do it my way. You will see two different methods in this video, so just follow along and hope that you're going to enjoy it.
She got a body like a goddess, and she talks so sweet. It's like I can't believe honest. I know I could be everything she needs if she let me get on it. Yeah. So come here, baby, listen close. Hold me tight, don't let me go. Girl, you know that I'ma want you all my life. But I got so much left to do, except for falling in love with you. So I'ma let you keep me up another time. But please don't stay the night. Don't try to change my mind. Baby, please don't stay the night. I must do what's right. Don't make me ask you twice. Ooh, don't stay the night. Don't try to turn it to a fight. 'Cause you know I love you by my side. Just don't stay the night. I must do what's right. I'm done being polite. Ooh, don't stay the night. She'll always find a way around it. I thought she'd be gone, but when I woke up in the morning, she was laying beside me. She know when she wanted. I can never turn her down. Oh, I probably should have kicked her out by now. But you're the finest of them all. Make me lose my self-control. All I wanna do is make you feel alright. You drive me crazy, turn me on, and that's the reason I'ma let you go. 'Cause you and I both know that we can't keep it quiet. So please don't stay the night. Don't try to change my mind. Please don't stay the night. I must do what's right. Don't make me ask you twice. Oh, don't stay the night. Don't try to turn it to a fight. 'Cause you know I love you by my side. Just don't stay the night. I must do what's right. I'm done being polite. Oh, don't stay the night.
And just like that, we are done. This is the last chapati that I'm making. Yeah, and of course, this took me a while, maybe like an hour or less to finish it. Yeah, and these were delicious. I used chipsy oil and which unga, brown and white unga, a mix of brown and white baking flour. So that's a chapati. You can see how good it looks, so soft. We had this, we enjoyed this for the entire weekend. Some having it with smokies and making smochas, but yeah, it was all fun and games. So thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in our next video. Bye bye.